Hello and welcome to Ingredient Deep Dive, and today we're deep diving BTMS-50 and BTMS-25. These are two major superstars in the skincare world, and if you have made or used any conditioners, lotions, some body butters or things like that, you have seen these names pop up. But what are they? What do they do? What is their purpose? And today we're deep diving it so we can get into why they're even on the ingredient label. BTMS-50 and BTMS-25 are emulsifying waxes made from plant-based fatty alcohols and catatonic surfactants. This is honestly just a fancy way of saying that they are conditioners that help combine oils and waters into smooth, creamy formulations. And the main difference between the two is that BTMS-50 has twice as much conditioning power as BTMS-25, making it ideal for the really heavy duty products. BTMS-50 and BTMS-25 are excellent for creating hair conditioners to detangle. They're great for creams and lotions, conditioning body butters that create silky smooth feel on your skin, and even lightweight leave-in hair treatments. It is great for if you're wanting any type of product to be really just smooth and creamy and feel nice and silky. So why do we even use BTMS-50 and BTMS-25? And to be honest, in one word, because it's amazing. And we do it because number one, of its conditioning powder. So the catatonic nature helps the BTMS bind to the hair and the skin, leaving it soft and very smooth. It's also very versatile because it works as both an emulsifier and also a conditioning agent, so it can really simplify your recipes because it's like a two-in-one. And then also it's very mild and non-irritating, so it's perfect for sensitive skin, and it's also very gentle on your hair. We use BTMS-50 and BTMS-25 mostly when we are adding it to the heated phases of our formulations. So a typical rate for BTMS-50 is a 1 to 10% usage rate, and then for BTMS-25 it is usually a 2 to 7% usage rate. So you would add this to all of your oils and your butters in your heated oil phase until it is fully incorporated, and then once it is fully melted and incorporated into that heated phase, that's when you will then blend it in with your water phase to make a creamy and stable emulsion. If you do not have any BTMS-50 or BTMS-25 on hand, do not worry, there are some alternatives and some substitutions. So of course you can swap out BTMS-50 and BTMS-25 together, but make sure, remember that BTMS-50 is double the conditioning agent of the BTMS-25, so take that into account when you're doing your formulations. And then you can also substitute using your BTMC, but using that you will also need some stabilizing agents with it, so like some cetyl alcohol, and you can find information on cetyl alcohol in the previous ingredient deep dive. Some other alternatives are Verisoft and emulsions, but they have a very narrow pH and a lower conditioning power. So it might leave your hair feeling a little waxy, or your skin not feeling as great or conditioned as you want it to. So you'll, of course, if you're using it, make sure that you are playing with your formulas, that you're doing all of the testing so that you can get the feel that you are looking for. I do not recommend using substitutions like Polo wax or Olive 1000 or emulsifying wax because they lack the conditioning properties that BTMS-50 and BTMS-25 have. Those emulsifiers are excellent for emulsifying, so it'll emulsify your product, but it will not give you that conditioning effect that you're looking for and that you get when you're using BTMS-50 or either a BTMS-25. So that was a super quick deep dive on BTMS-50 and BTMS-25. And for a quick recap, if you are looking or wanting to make a really thick cream or a hair mask, you would want a thicker conditioner, so maybe use a BTMS-50. If you're looking for or you're wanting to make a lotion or like a leave-in hair product, then BTMS-25 would be great because it is not as much conditioning as a BTMS-50. BTMS-50 and BTMS-25 are game changers for your skincare. I use them often in my hand creams and body creams, lotions, emulsifying butters, even in my emulsifying sugar scrubs. They're great. They make my skin feel absolutely amazing and super soft. But now that you know about them, which one are you going to try first and which product are you going to try and make? Leave some comments to let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share, and then hit that notification bell to never miss another video. Until next time, happy crafting.